Halo guys, selamat datang di channel Arilani Official. Apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga sehat selalu dan murah rezeki. Di video kali ini, saya akan membagikan info kode penukaran higgs domino. Namun sebelum lanjut ke kode penukarannya, saya mau menjelaskan kepada kalian semua bahwa kode penukaran higgs domino itu terbatas. Jika terjadi kesalahan kode atau kodenya sudah tidak berlaku lagi, berarti kodenya sudah kadaluarsa. Karena kodenya sudah mencapai jumlah batas klaim. Tidak dapat chip dari kode penukaran bukanlah jadi halangan untuk dapat chip secara gratis. Karena di channel ini, saya sering mengadakan giveaway untuk subscriber channel ini agar dapat chip untuk bermain slot higgs domino. Buat yang mau ikutan giveaway, syaratnya cukup mudah kok guys. Cukup dengan cara like, comment, share, dan subscribe. Dukung channel ini dengan cara tersebut, agar saya lebih semangat lagi membagikan kode penukaran dan giveaway untuk kalian semua. Buat yang belum beruntung, jangan berkecil hati ya, karena pemenang giveaway-nya dia cek secara random. Komen ID kalian dan tonton video ini sampai selesai, agar komentar kalian tidak dianggap spam oleh YouTube. Tunggu apalagi guys, langsung saja pencet tombol subscribe-nya, agar kalian bisa ikutan giveaway untuk komentar yang beruntung. Oke guys, kita lanjut lagi ke kode penukarannya. Kode penukaran higgs domino ada 8 digit huruf dan angka. Hurufnya kecil semua ya guys. Kodenya akan muncul satu persatu dalam video ini. Perhatikan video ini sampai selesai, agar tidak ada yang ketinggalan. Sebab jika ada satu huruf atau angka yang salah, maka kode tersebut tidak akan bisa digunakan, karena ada kesalahan pada kode penukarannya. Semoga kalian semua paham dengan penjelasan dari saya. Selamat menyaksikan.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Oke guys, itulah 8 digit kode penukaran. Selamat mencoba dan semoga beruntung. Untuk pemenang giveaway-nya cek masing-masing. Semoga beruntung dan selalu jackpot ya guys. Yang belum beruntung, jangan berkecil hati dan tetap semangat ya guys. Oke guys, videonya sampai di sini. Jangan lupa support channel ini dengan cara like, comment, share, dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.